Hello, my name is Mauricio Quiroga. I am studying Business Administrator. Today, I am going to talk about one of my travel experience when I went to Leticia. Last vacation I traveled to a beautiful place in Colombia called Leticia. It is a city within the Amazon. I went with my family and was there for a week. The hotel was quite expensive, however. Everything was great. Visit many places in the region, such the Amazon World Park, the Santander Park, and the Victoria Regia Garden. We returned on the 1000 and I have to go back to my work routine. Leticia has a tropical weather. It is a very rainy place. It's rain all years. Even the dry smooth still has a lot of the rain. It is a very hot place and it is cloudy all day. It's recommended that you wear rain clothes, and it is important to use mosquito repellent and that you get vaccinated before traveling. It is a good idea to stay in safe job and purchase a travel insurance. I hope you enjoyed things.